Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to use Alexa Echo device to auto turn off lights or plugs when no one is in the room. In order to do this, you need to have an Echo device that supports ultrasound. Echo 4th generation or newer and Echo Dot 4th generation or newer devices support ultrasound. Now to do this, open your Alexa app. Tap Devices at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on your Echo device. In my case, it's Lounge Echo Dot. Tap on the setting icon on the top right side of the screen, then tap on Ultrasound Motion Detection. Enable Ultrasound Motion Detection. Adjust the sensitivity and range. Now scroll to the bottom of the screen and tap on Go to Routines. Next, tap on the plus icon on the top right side of the screen. Tap on Add an Event. Then Smart Home. Select your Echo device. Now tap on Occupancy and select People Not Detected. Then tap Next. Tap on Add an Action. Select Smart Home. Now select the light or plug you want Alexa to turn off when no motion is detected in the room. For example, I will select Lights. And I will choose my living room lamp. Tap Next. Now select Power. I will choose Off. Tap Next again. Finally, tap Save. All done. Now my Echo Dot will automatically turn off my living room lamp when no motion is detected. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.